Hey everybody, Dixie Thumper. Gonna do a quick test of a improv smoke round. Been working on a couple of new smoke rounds. This one was a shorter one, so I have another fireworks smoke. These are the camouflage smokes you get at a lot of the fireworks stands. They're 1-inch diameter tubes. They are a green smoke. Again, it is a fireworks smoke. It is set up with a special pusher, and as you can see, there is this was a failed print cone that I just glued on the end of it just to give it a little better appearance than a big tube sticking out the end, and protect it a little bit from the weather. So it is Remington STS 209 primer. It does have a 50 grain pyrodex 777 50/50 pellet. This is a pyrodex pellet model, so this will be the first time I tried it out. We are going to give it a whirl. To the wood line there is about right at 220 yards. I don't think it'll make it that far. I am going to shoot for the middle of the field. This is a hay field, so I'm waiting until it's raining right now. It's been raining for a little bit here, so we don't have any fires out here. So I'm going to shoot at the middle there where I zoomed in. Let's see if I can, right in that area is where I'm going to aim for. So, launcher, TAC 79, destructed device. This registers a DD. Not that it has to be. It's just I'm using a smoke. So, cocking, got it on safe right now. I'm going to take it off safe and aim out that direction. I'm going to zoom in. And maybe I'll zoom out a little bit. Maybe we can get the arc a little bit. So I'm going to aim at about, I'm at about a 30-35 degree angle here. All right. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. We got good ignition. And we got some good smoke here. If I can keep it in the center of the that's producing well. So that was about, from here, about 140, maybe 150 yards. So that's not bad. The shell is intact and reloadable. I'll show you that here in a second. Good ignition. And it looks like that's all we got for smoke. Yeah, it's a fireworks stand smoke. So they don't always give you the best, product, but that's pretty much done. I'll go recover it, maybe I won't. We'll see if I find it. I'm gonna zoom back out. The shell, this is the shell, so I'm gonna zoom in on that. Let me set the launcher down over here. All right, so let's see. All right, so here we got the launcher. I'm sorry, not the launcher, the shell. If you can see in here, this was a pyrodex pellet, 50/50 777 pellet. These are part of a production run I'm about to make. They did perform pretty well. I think the next ones I will put a cardboard piece over it. I don't know if it's really necessary, but I do have some more design changes that I've made since I made this one. I just wanted to kind of test it out since it's good weather conditions for this type of testing. Appreciate it. Not bad range for pyrodex pellet. Again, 3D printed shell. It can be reloaded. You print them right, they'll last for a while. One of my customers already has over 20 loadings on one shell. So Yeah, the aluminum ones are nicer. They're cleaner looking. But hey, I can print out thousands of these for the price of 100 aluminums. Anyway, y'all take care. There's the launcher. Enjoy your weekend. I just dropped my retirement papers today, so I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to test out some more of these smoke loads when I get the opportunity, and hopefully get some better video quality going on here, and all that will be better on the YouTube channel here. All right, thanks guys. Take care. Look forward to the green hood smoke. I just got that order in, and I'm going to be doing a review on those products with his smoke mix once I get all those made up. So I'll be doing more testing with those. So stay tuned for that. Thanks guys. Bye.